I'm Michelle and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be doing a hairstyle that was really popular in the late 90s / early 2000s. And if you've heard of this style or worn this style, you've probably called it many different names. The first time I did this style, it was on old stretched hair, so I don't know if this is gonna make any difference because I'm working on an old wash and go. For this style, you can use any gel that gives you a nice hold. Since it's an updo, I don't like to use my good gels on these particular styles, so I use something like Eco Styler or Wetline gel. Just splitting into these little sections. It doesn't have to be neat at all. A lot of people like to start on damp hair, but it's easier for me to just take my gel and apply it directly to my hair and smooth it that way, but definitely use water if that works better for you. See the detangling brush, I'm really gentle with it, but it just makes smoothing it down so much easier. I'm just gonna take one of my ponytail holders and I'm just gonna secure it real loose. It's not gonna be tight at all because I'm just putting all the hair together. It's almost like a mold. Taking these and I'm securing it. Don't worry about it being super sleek. The way I smooth my hair down, like, it's gonna wave up, but it's still really smooth. I'll do some small sections, and then I'll do some sections where it's a little bit thicker. Using these little butterfly clips to kind of keep the hair out the way. I'm just going to dampen my hair with some water. I'm gonna hold it at the base so that I don't snag my ponytail. Add a little teeny tiny bit of product. You just twist it like you're doing a bantu knot. Just twist. And then I'm gonna start, I don't even know how to describe this. I really just twist it until the hair almost kind of bunches up like this. As I'm twisting it, it's just automatically bunching down together. So I kind of use that to my advantage. And I twist it down, I keep on allowing it to just bunch on its own until I get all the way down to the end. And then once I get to the end, I kind of tuck it underneath the little section that's been bunched up. Then I'm going to secure it with a bobby pin. I do go back and take some of these bobby pins out because I really don't need all of these bobby pins. Using too many pins is probably what would make the style get to be uncomfortable. Going around like a swirl, kind of. Like I'll start on the outside and then I'm going in like this, like that.
baile, vai te chamar pra dança, 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 dança. Tá de copão, tá de lança, 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 tá de lança, tá de copão, tá de lança.
I finished pinning my hair down. Now I'm starting to take some of the pins out, especially the ones that are like at this top part here. I like to take those out so that the bun isn't flat. So basically all the ones that are like this one, I think I can take this one out. If I take one out and it starts to unravel, then I'll just place the pin somewhere else. But usually because of how many pins I placed in, like to secure the whole thing, if I take some off around the perimeters, it won't do any damage. Now I'm just taking a little bit of Kiss Edge Fixer and I'm just gonna do my edges up a little bit. I don't know why, but I just tried something off camera that I feel gave the bun a little bit more dimension. You can take a wider, thicker one of these and just gently hold your bun and place it over it. Just made the bun look more like a bun. This is something that's completely optional. And just make sure you removed a lot of the pins because you don't want it to be too tight or to have any of the pins like poking at your head. I randomly decided to do that. I did not do that on the last bun that I wore, but here's how it looks. I think this will be a really beautiful style for a wedding or something formal or a special occasion because I feel like you can add accessories to this and really dress it up. If you want the style to have more volume, I feel like you can definitely add more hair to it if you want. Because it's so time consuming, I wouldn't make this my everyday bun. But if I wanted to wear this bun for like a protective style that's like a week long, I feel like that would be worth the time that it takes to put in because you know with buns, you really don't usually want to take a lot of time on it. But for me, I think this is so worth it for special occasions. The hairstyles from the 90s and 2000s are just so creative and a lot of those hairstyles need to make a comeback. But I hope this video was helpful to you all. This is one of those styles where it looks confusing, but you just have to try it out for yourself. Go ahead and end the video here. I really hope you all enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one.